In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple projects, deadlines, and a diverse team can feel like trying to conduct an orchestra with tangled batons. Amidst this complexity, a robust project management tool emerges not just as a convenience, but as a necessity. Wrike, a popular platform in this domain, offers a compelling suite of features designed to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and ultimately, drive project success. As a seasoned project management professional, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of well-implemented tools, and Wrike consistently stands out for its versatility and user-friendly approach. Let's delve into the significant advantages that make Wrike a powerful ally for teams of all sizes and across various industries. One of the most immediate benefits of adopting Wrike is the centralization of information. Gone are the days of sifting through endless email threads, scattered documents, and disparate spreadsheets to find crucial project details. Wrike acts as a single source of truth, housing all tasks, files, discussions, and timelines within a unified platform. This eliminates the confusion and wasted time associated with information silos, ensuring that every team member has access to the latest updates and relevant materials. Imagine a construction project where blueprints, permits, and contractor communications are all readily available in one digital workspace. The efficiency gains are substantial. Building upon this foundation of centralized information is Wrike's powerful task management capabilities. The platform allows for the creation of detailed tasks, assignment of responsibilities, setting of due dates, and tracking of progress in real time. This granular level of control ensures clarity on who is doing what and by when, minimizing ambiguity and fostering accountability. Features like subtasks and dependencies further refine the process, allowing for the breakdown of larger projects into manageable steps and the establishment of logical sequences for task completion. For instance, in a marketing campaign, individual tasks like drafting blog posts, designing social media creatives, and scheduling email blasts can be meticulously organized and tracked. Effective collaboration is the lifeblood of any successful project, and Wrike excels in facilitating seamless teamwork. The platform offers various communication channels, including task-specific comment sections, direct messaging, and team-wide discussion forums. This eliminates the need for constant email exchanges and promotes transparent communication within the project context. Team members can easily share updates, ask questions, provide feedback, and resolve issues directly within the relevant task or project, fostering a more connected and responsive environment. Consider a software development team where developers, designers, and testers can collaborate directly on specific bug fixes or feature implementations, leading to faster iteration and higher quality outcomes. Wrike's strength also lies in its flexible workflow automation. Recognizing that every team operates differently, the platform allows for the creation of customized workflows that mirror specific business processes. This includes setting up automated task assignments, status updates, and notifications based on predefined triggers. For example, once a design task is marked as complete, an automated workflow can trigger a notification to the content team to begin incorporating the visuals into their materials. This automation reduces manual effort, minimizes the risk of human error, and ensures that projects move smoothly through their various stages. Gaining a clear visibility into project progress is paramount for effective decision-making. Wrike offers a range of visual tools, such as Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and workload views, that provide real-time insights into the status of projects and the availability of team members. Project managers can easily identify potential bottlenecks, track milestones, and proactively address any roadblocks. The workload view, in particular, is invaluable for resource management, allowing managers to ensure that team members are not overloaded and that tasks are distributed effectively. Imagine a product launch where the marketing, development, and sales team's progress can be visualized on a single Gantt chart, allowing stakeholders to track key milestones and anticipate potential delays. Beyond real-time tracking, Wrike offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities. The platform allows users to generate customizable reports on various project metrics, such as task completion rates, team performance, and time spent on different activities. These insights provide valuable data for evaluating project performance, identifying areas for improvement, and making data-driven decisions for future projects. For example, analyzing the time spent on different types of marketing activities can help a team optimize their resource allocation and focus on the most impactful strategies. Wrike understands that teams often work with a variety of other tools, and its integration capabilities are a significant advantage. The platform seamlessly connects with a wide range of popular business applications, including email clients like Gmail and Outlook, file storage services like Google Drive and Dropbox, CRM systems like Salesforce, and communication platforms like Slack. This interoperability eliminates the need to switch between multiple applications, streamlining workflows and ensuring that data flows smoothly across different systems. For instance, integrating Wrike with a CRM system can automatically create project tasks based on new sales opportunities. Finally, Wrike's scalability and adaptability make it a valuable asset for growing organizations. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Wrike can be tailored to meet your specific needs and evolve alongside your business. The platform offers different subscription plans with varying features and user capacities, allowing you to choose the option that best suits your current requirements and scale up as needed. Its flexible configuration options ensure that it can be adapted to diverse project methodologies and industry-specific workflows.